Starting a business in Germany is very easy. All you have to do is fill out a form and submit it. Wait a couple of weeks to get your tax number. Fill out another form with your new tax number and you will be up and running with your new business in no time. But this method is not suitable for all kinds of businesses. So in this video, I will talk about how to start a business in Germany, different kinds of corporations and partnerships you can register in Germany, which kind of registration might be suitable for your business, and the registration process. So watch this video till the end if you want to start your own business in Germany. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Essen. I'm a researcher and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. Let's start with the types of businesses you can register in Germany. GmbH or GmbH. This type of business is probably what most of the people in Germany are familiar with. Robert Bosch GmbH, Deloitte GmbH, and HGV GmbH are probably the biggest companies in Germany registered under this category. This business is broadly equivalent to an LLC in the US or a private limited company in the UK and many other countries. UG or UG is another type of corporation for founders who wish to establish a limited liability company similar to a GmbH, but they do not have a lot of cash. I will discuss the differences between a UG and a GmbH later on in the video. Next we have AG, which is a corporation limited by share ownership, whose shares may be traded on a stock market. As a corporation, it is a legal entity and therefore has rights and obligations that exist independently from the owners. The shares of the company are held by the shareholders who are co-owners of the company. In Germany, you can also start your business as a sole proprietor. As a solo founder, you can start your business in Germany as an Einzelunternehmen. If you want to set up your own business but do not want to incorporate a company like a UG or a GmbH, an Einzelunternehmen or a sole proprietorship could be the easiest option for you. The sole proprietorship is considered a separate legal form and is the most straightforward business to start in Germany. Setting one up involves an easy registration, avoiding most of the red tape of an incorporated company. If you're liking this video so far, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and consider subscribing. So how to register your business in Germany? To register an AG in Germany, you need at least 50,000 euros. The first shares will be issued on this amount. Those can be either nominal or individual shares. If 100 shares are issued, one share corresponds to 1% of the company value. For a GmbH, again you need a large starting capital, at least 25,000 euros, from which 12,000 euros have to be raised before registering in the commercial register. The registration process for an AG or GmbH is pretty complicated, so using specialists to help you get started is the only reasonable thing you can do. That said, if you do not want to start with a large amount, you can start a UG. A UG is a special form of a GmbH, also known as a mini GmbH or €1 GmbH. It gets the €1 GmbH name because forming this company requires just €1 of share capital. It is important to note that although the share capital minimum is just €1, there are many other startup costs to take under consideration, such as notar fees, registration fees, and many others. Additionally, a UG comes with the legal obligation to put 25% of its profits into a special reserve account until its share capital reaches 25,000 euros and you fulfill the requirements of a GmbH. Starting a Einzelunternehmen or sole proprietorship in Germany is the easiest way to register your business in Germany. This type of business registration has no special requirements, no initial or minimum share capital needed. You can even hire other employees and you just need between 20 to 45 euros to register depending on your city. With a sole proprietorship, you can even take advantage of the small business exemption rule. This rule grants you VAT exemptions. What this means is that you will not have to charge the 19% VAT to your customers, essentially making you 19% cheaper than the other bigger companies. To stay inside the small business exemption, entrepreneurs can generate a maximum of 22,000 euros in sales in the previous financial year and have an expected maximum of 50,000 euros in the current financial year. Registering an Einzelunternehmen in Germany is very easy. All you need to do is Google Gewerbeanmeldung plus your city name and you will find specific websites for your city. For many cities, you can directly fill out this form and submit it online. If by chance you cannot find a specific form for your city, you can download the Gewerbeanmeldung form in the description below. Fill out that form and submit it to the Handelskammer or Chamber of Commerce in your city. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fill this form too. After submitting the form, you'll get a separate tax number which you can use to invoice your customers. In addition to the tax number, you will also get a form called Fragebogen zur steuerliche Erfassung or questionnaire for tax registration. This form will help the finance office to correctly characterize your business. Filling the Gewerbeanmeldung form might be difficult for some. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how to fill this form. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.